Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll discuss with you how to use clear formatting command for any kind of document or any kind of text style. So clear formatting means if I applied a lot of formatting to a document and I want just my text and remove all of the formatting applied here. So whenever I apply clear formatting to a style or text, that remove all of the formatting and just keep the normal text. So if I select this text and apply this clear all formatting option, then I see that it just remove all of the formatting, just keep the text highlight color. Then here I also applied clear all formatting, then it's remove all of the subscript superscript command and move them in a general text. So that means if I applied font size, bold, italic, underline, subscript, superscript option, if I want that all of the formatting removed and just normal text keep, so we need to apply clear formatting in this situation. Thank you.